welcome to Next Level Arabic. In today's video, we'll continue talking about the Arabic letters and we'll talk about the Ain and Ghain. The first letter is Ain. Ain. The way that we pronounce this letter is technically by tightening our throat. So Ain and Alif, we pronounce it from the same area or spot in the throat. But with Ain, we tighten the throat. We try to put pressure on it. Even in the beginning, you can start with just pushing it with your fingers, pushing the throat with your fingers like Ain. Then later on, you know how to pronounce it without that. We say Ain, Ain. It is with tightening the throat not only from outside but also making kind of a knot inside the throat. This letter looks like 3 but flipped 3. That's why when we write in the English letters, we represent it with the number 3. So it's one small curve, then one bigger. In the initial shape, we keep the upper half of the letter and we straighten it, like you can see here. Then, in the middle position, this letter changes its shape, so it will be more like making a triangle. It should be like a triangle, then we go to the other side for the linking arm. And in the ending position, it's a combination between the middle and the main shape. When it's connected, it's a combination. So we do the middle shape, then the down half from the main shape. And in the separated, it's the same like main shape. Now it's your turn to read the first word, and remember this sound is a. So عنب, عنب. Second word, your turn. ملعقة, ملعقة. Third word, your turn. ربيع, ربيع. Okay. Next letter in this group is Ghain or Gha, Gha for short. So it looks the same like Ain but with one dot above, and the way we pronounce this letter is close to the French R, like in the word bonjour, merci, or also the German R. It's more like goggling with water. Gha, Gha, Gha. This is this letter. The same approach in the beginning, it's just the upper half and straighten it. In the middle, it has the shape of triangle, and in the end, it's a combination between the middle and the main shape, or separated like this here. Now it's your turn to read the first word. غيمة, غيمة. Second word. ببغاء, ببغاء. Third word. دماغ, دماغ. Okay. So in this word, can you recognize the letters? Which letters we have studied before? We have Ain and B in the ending position. Okay. Second word, we have only Ain so far. Third word, we have Ra in the beginning, then Be, then Ain. Here we have only Gha, Gha. Second word, we have ba in the beginning, then ba in the middle, and then gha, and then alif. Third word, we have da, a, and ghain. Okay, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like. See you in the next video.